Welcome to Foxtecc. If you're looking to record your iPad screen while also capturing video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Look for the screen recording button. If you don't see it, you'll need to add it first. Just hold down on the toggles in Control Center, tap Edit Controls, and add screen recording. Once it's there, you can start recording whenever you need. Before you begin, make sure to enable microphone audio if you want to capture your voice. To do this, press and hold the screen recording button, then tap microphone audio to turn it on. This is useful if you're explaining something while recording, in like a tutorial or gameplay commentary. Now, start the screen recording, then open whatever app or content you want to capture. Your iPad will record everything happening on the screen along with any audio if you enable the microphone. When you're done, tap the red recording indicator in the status bar and select Stop. The recorded video will be automatically saved in the Photos app, where you can view, edit, or share it. That's it. Now you know how to record your iPad screen while capturing video at the same time. Let me know in the comments what you're using this for. And if this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more. See you later.